HTML Hypertext Markup Language, which is a basic structure for web development. In this video we'll learn to create this type of web page, and later on upcoming videos we'll increase our levels and make websites using CSS and JavaScript also. This is what we are going to create in this video. It's having pictures and texts and colorful text and some clickable buttons, and there is a form used to fill details of company, employee or students. Let's write the name here and let's enter any date. We have school students section, roll number and his email. Let's write anything here and then submit it. As you see, our form recognized that it's not an email. And next we have tables and all these stuffs. Now let's create these. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the 8-bit Leo. Myself Utkarsh Pandey. Today we'll learn HTML. So without wasting time, let's get started. I can select VS Code as well for this, but you may face problem in understanding it, so that's why I'm choosing Notepad for now. So as you can see, we have opened Notepad. So before writing our first HTML, I would like to suggest you to please focus on the syntax, because it's important to understand its format of writing a program. Here I'll start with doc type HTML. Here doc represents that our HTML will be in document form, and then I'll write HTML tag under which my whole content will be there. This is your opening tag of title. Under it I will write, let's say, our first web page, and we'll close with /title. And one thing, please remember, after opening any tag we have to close it also, like I just did. Now we'll save this and let's see what happens to our web page. Here I'll give any random file name, let's say y.html extension, and save it. Now open the file where you saved. I have saved on desktop, so I am opening it. Here you can see our web page title has came. Let me show you the notepad again. As you can see, now this is called a head tag. Let's open it and close it. Actually this tag is from CSS topic, so I am not discussing it here. After this I'll be using body opening tag. Remember one more thing, body tag and HTML tag has to be closed at the end of writing all the programs, where body tag comes under HTML tag. Okay, then we use style tag or attribute for giving color to background of our web page. Under it I'll write body, because we have to apply this on the whole body of the HTML. Curly braces. After pressing enter we'll write background colon violet. Then we'll close the style tag. Now let's see how it looks like. Let's reload it. As you can see, a violet colored background has been applied. According to your choice, you can choose your own favorite color also. Okay guys, now let's talk about heading. For that we use h opening tag attribute, and in it I'll write my own heading. Then I will close it with h close tag attribute. As you can see, save it. Now let's see how it results. Now as we see, a bold big heading appears. Now let's go back. Now after this I am writing 2 more headings. Then you notice the difference between all 3 of them. H opening tag attribute and write something in between. Then we'll close it with h closing tag attribute. Now one more heading, same way. We'll start with h opening tag attribute, then write something in between. Then again we'll use closing h tag attribute. Now let's see how it results. Now let's load this. Guys, as you may have noticed that we have 3 headings and they are getting smaller one by one. Now let's get back and talk about paragraph. For that I am using p opening tag, and under it I'll write something, let's say this is a paragraph, and same way we'll close it with p closing tag. As you may have noticed till now, all the attributes, or you can call it tags, are in lowercase. Now as you see, a little tiny text appeared which we call it paragraph. Now what if we want our text to look pretty attractive? For that we'll use again p opening tag, but this time we write style to make pretty stylish paragraph. Then we'll open two double quotes and under it we'll write color for coloring our text. Then after it we'll use colon and write any color name. I am writing any color name. You can write your own color. Close it with this symbol. Now again we'll write something in between. Let's say, hey, this is nice. Then as usually we'll close this with a p closing tag. Now let's see how our text look like. Let's reload it, and now as you can see, our yellow paragraph is appeared. I know we can't call this little sentence as a paragraph, but for explaining purposes only I am writing these short sentences. Now let's get back. Now same way I'll write another colored paragraph. I'll again suggest you please focus on what I am writing, because it helps you to understand more easily. Now this time I'll go with red. Oh sorry, I have written L and semicolon by mistakenly there. Let us remove those. But HTML didn't include those things also. I'm writing sentences which comes in my mind so suddenly. Then close it with p tag. Now let's see how it looks like, and we'll also check that those two unwanted words really affect the para. Let's reload it. No, that doesn't affect, guys. And here's our red colored para. Now let's get back and talk about what if we want to bold those things. Talking about those paragraphs. For bolding para we have to use b tag before p tag. Then like above we'll write here also in same way. Then give any color. I'm giving green. Then write anything you like. Then after this we'll close this in p tag. Now in order to show you the difference between bolding tag sentences or the normal sentences, so that's why I'm not closing bolding tag for now. Now let's check it. As you can see, guys, a green colored text appeared. Please don't go on texts because I am writing those in order to explain only. Now let's see what happens if we close it with bolding tag. We'll also write two more things below it. This will be in bold letters. Whereas this will be in italics. You just consider I as italics and B as bold. Now let's reload it. According to the given tags, the texts are appearing as you see. This is in bold and this is in italics. Now you must have noticed that they are in same line. Let's separate them. Now for separating and giving spaces between them, we use br tag and let's close it. Now let's see, guys, how it results. Now notice that those two texts are now separated. That's all for today's video, buddies. In the very next video we'll talk about the most important elements and functions, and also we insert images. We'll create different types of list and forms that we use to fill our details, and how we insert different links. We'll make images and text clickable, and how we can use div to display math symbols and table to represent all data in a table form. We are going to learn this in the very next video. So thumbs up, guys, if you haven't till now. Till then, okay, bye.